Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
Eat. I am eating dinner now. I was eating dinner at 7 p.m. I will be eating dinner at 8 p.m. Play. She is playing outside. She was playing with her friends. She will be playing football tomorrow. Read. He is reading a book. He was reading last night. He will be reading in the afternoon. Write. I am writing a letter. I was writing my homework. I will be writing my report. Sleep. The baby is sleeping now. The baby was sleeping at noon. The baby will be sleeping later. Walk. We are walking to school. We were walking in the rain. We will be walking home. Cook. She is cooking lunch. She was cooking when I came. She will be cooking at 5 p.m. Drink. I am drinking water. I was drinking juice. I will be drinking coffee later. Sing. They are singing a song. They were singing loudly. They will be singing at the party. Dance. He is dancing now. He was dancing last night. He will be dancing tomorrow. Study. I am studying English. I was studying for my test. I will be studying tonight. Run. He is running fast. He was running in the park. He will be running in the race. Draw. She is drawing a picture. She was drawing a cat. She will be drawing later. Swim. We are swimming now. We were swimming yesterday. We will be swimming next week. Watch. They are watching TV. They were watching a movie. They will be watching a show. Listen. I am listening to music. I was listening to the teacher. I will be listening to the radio. Talk. We are talking about school. We were talking yesterday. We will be talking tomorrow. Travel. He is traveling to London. He was traveling last month. He will be traveling next week. Paint. She is painting a wall. She was painting the door. She will be painting soon. Shop. They are shopping now. They were shopping yesterday. They will be shopping tomorrow. Clean. I am cleaning my room. I was cleaning the kitchen. I will be cleaning the house. Help. She is helping her mom. She was helping her dad. She will be helping tomorrow. Open. He is opening the box. He was opening the door. He will be opening the shop. Close. I am closing the window. I was closing the book. I will be closing the store. Fix. He is fixing the bike. He was fixing the car. He will be fixing the computer. Laugh. They are laughing loudly. They were laughing at the joke. They will be laughing later. Cry. The baby is crying. The baby was crying last night. The baby will be crying again. Build. He is building a house. He was building a tree house. He will be building tomorrow. Teach. She is teaching English. She was teaching grammar. She will be teaching tomorrow.